Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to borrow games on Steam. To start this tutorial, make sure you already have Steam application in your laptop or PC. Now once you're here, click on Friends and Chat. Now once the window appears, you can now close it. In here, you're going over to the upper left and then click on Steam, and then go to Settings. Once you are in Settings, click on Family this time. And then check the box that says Authorize Library Sharing on this computer, and then tap on Manage Other Computers. Now wait for Steam application to load. In here, you can now manage family library sharing. You can also allow up to 5 accounts to use your game library on any of the authorized computers. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.